Hello, Chrysler 300C fans. But you gotta have to like cartoon cars to also agree with my purchasing decisions. Bought this off eBay. It was like $2 delivered, so why not? So Chrysler 300C is part of the Tooned line, number 10 of 10 of what year? That's strange. It doesn't say the year. So it says copyright 2015. So was this the 2016 year release? I think so. I'm not sure. Leave a comment if you know, because I don't really know the history of Hot Wheels. I just collect things, in this case, that make me laugh. These cartoon cars. I really like them. They're so goofy looking that I like them. So this guy, what do we have here? We have a nice metallic green. Oh, it's really nice, actually. I feel like there's a lot of depth in the clear coat or something. Almost like it's a pearlescent clear over the green. I don't know. It's interesting. Okay, handles are raised here, protruding. Same with this molding and a badge, probably. It's got these standard double spoke, supersized wheels, so it rolls well like a Hot Wheels would. There's totally blacked out windows, so no interior at all. Going to the front here, this is not appealing. This entire bottom half is plastic. It's that swirly metallic plastic, which is never good because you see this line? That's what happens, I think, when the plastic from this side of the mold meets the plastic injected from this side of the mold, and they meet in the middle and cool off. So it's just ugly to look at. I would rather have just a plain green, but I guess with the green metallic paint, I mean, it's pretty close. I'll give them credit. That's a pretty close match, but I don't know. It's just weak to have this much plastic showing on the front of a vehicle. This should all be cast metal, right? Why not? There's nothing saying it couldn't. They're just cheaping out. It really bothers me. I also don't know why this grill is concave. It's actually it's not a flat surface. It's sunken in quite a bit right here. But there is texture and a little bit of a logo there. And this is black here. It's probably part of this window here. But it's weird is this side looks matte. This side looks super glossy. So what is going on with this thing? This is like a defective piece of plastic. Oh boy, this is getting worse. Look at this thing. This stripe is a nice idea, but what the heck, man? That is just, I could have painted that better, and I'm not a good painter. Boy, wow. It's not a metallic, it's just a dark olive, and there's some sort of pitting. Yeah, there's paint rash going on, but this is, well, yeah, it's old. I guess it's an old casting. Okay, well, this side looks similar. And now you can see the swirly plastic again for the whole bottom half of the rear. Very distracting. It's very ugly to look at. It's also got some bubbles here. Part of it didn't cool properly. Okay, so yeah, the bumper, see again, that's where the plastic here met the plastic here, and so you have a cooling or some sort of meeting line. Maybe that's air or something. Yeah, that's ugly. So at least they have some recesses in the exhaust, but the issue I have with the plastics here is you can't paint them easily. They're very slick plastics. You put paint on them and run with your fingers, and the paint just falls off. So Hot Wheels plastics are like very slick, almost like a water bottle, like polyethylene or something, or polypropylene, either one. Okay, well, anyways, it's nice that this is all printed poorly. Hot Wheels logo. This is good. This is good. This light seems okay, but again, what went on here is something really wrong. Okay, wow. There's some extra darkness here. Yeah, this is sadly the worst Blings model I have. I'm almost debating repainting this entire thing because that is so ugly to look at. But that means I then have to go. But I know that if I repaint it, the paint's not going to stick to this unless I like spray it with like glue first, so the paint sticks to it. All right. Well, anyways, we got some printed details there. Now I'm just sad. I love this car in real life. I think it's a cool idea to have it tuned, but man, the execution of this is just horrible. Hot Wheels, Mattel, you guys, you're cheaping out, man. This whole plastic thing here, you're just cheaping out. It's unacceptable. All right, I'm back with some original wheels that came on these cars. Yeah, they're just big billet-looking wheels with a center cap covering up the lug nuts. And then pretty thin tires, they're separate pieces so I can paint them easier. I clipped off a wheel and I reused the axle so I didn't have to drill the thing apart. And then I added a little bit of paint detail, some black, some silver, actually some extra paint there. But you can see this slick plastic, it's very easy to wipe off the paint. Some Molotow pen for the silver here, and I think I may have added some black in here because I'm now realizing this is the clear plastic of the windshield. That's why it looked it looks black to the naked eye, but in the video you can see the light getting through, actually still right there. So and then I added some black in the exhaust because they're recessed, so I don't think that black will come out easily because not much is going to get in there to scrape it. Right. Okay, well, let's look at a couple other castings then. Here's a photograph of the real car with those types of wheels. Yeah. I don't have anything like this in 1/64. The closest thing today would be this Impala from, what is this, Revell? I think this is one of those Revell lowriders. Yeah, and I stripped off the yellow paint flames, but I also stripped off a lot of the green, so I don't recommend trying to strip off those flames. Okay, and then Chorokyu. There aren't many U.S. sedans, but this is a Japanese sedan. I think it's a Toyota Crown. Yeah, it's a Toyota Crown police car of some sort. Okay. So you can see the Chorokyu is very short and tall, and then the Blings is longer, but it's kind of in between the two. It's like a compromise between realistic and super deformed. And that's what my impression is. But yeah, the wheels are just so huge on these Blings. That's why I love them. Alright, let's look at a couple other things here. Nice little cartoon there of that. And this cartoon actually has the same wheels, so that's why I pulled this one up here. We got old Ben Kenobi. This is a little Bandai Gashapon figure. I feel like the old Ben would be pimping around in one of these vehicles if he drove cars. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Sadly, quality control on this particular Hot Wheels is really bad. The only plus side is the fact that these things are dirt cheap. No one seems to like these cartoon cars. I think in a bulk purchase I got this for $2. So I will see you guys in the next Hot Wheels video. Thanks for watching.